Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can convert your normal videos into a GIF on CapCut mobile. So here, just select your video. You can add in filters and effects if you'd like to do that first. Let me just quickly add in this filter, I guess. I don't know. And you can add in effects as well. Maybe these star ones. I don't know, it's up to you. Just press the check mark button once you're done. Don't have the time to load it, I guess. I don't know why that showed up. Hold on. There, it's whatever. And to export it as a GIF, select this resolution bit here on top. Then you're going to select the GIF instead of videos. Then you're just going to hit the export button and it will be exported as a GIF, I guess. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.